What is up, everybody? Today I lost $100, $102, trying to get my another $150 winning days on these accounts. Um, so, uh, yeah, I'm like down like 300 on each account. After I take beautiful setups, I've been taking beautiful setups and I've been getting stopped out, like to the wick. Like this is the third time on these accounts, bro. It's brutal out here. Okay, it's brutal. Let's get into what I saw. 4 hour, literally nothing. Oh, actually, no, we were in this 4 hour gap. Okay. 1 hour, we had nothing except, just like liquidity. The back. 15 minute, this is where we really were at. Let's just go over these sessions real quick. Asia got swept. And on ES, Asia and PM highs got taken out, so that was good. We had this 15-minute gap right here. This 15-minute gap was also an OTE. As you can see the range, I'll just draw it real quick so look, we can't it's not from here, okay, it's not from down here, it's up here, okay. I'll show you why. Give me a second. It's from, well, no, and it's not from there either. It's because if we draw this up here, this is already hit 0.5. This is already balanced. We take it to the next, but I'm just gonna, show you it. It's this one. This is one that's not balanced yet. We take it here. This is in OTE, okay? OTE, GAT tap, data lows. All right, we sweep that and we push higher. Then right before market open, we dump through this gap and open down here, while ES is staying inside this gap, and we just literally push out of it on ES. After, how long did it take? It really did it took like, oh no, it didn't even take long at all, actually. I'm lying. We literally just ripped out of it. I gotta remember, we make this rejection block. I don't really trade rejection blocks, but decided to test it out, which it worked great. Especially I saw this great reaction off of it, so I'm probably gonna start using these a little more. Okay, great displacements. We invalidate this gap right here very nicely. I was thinking about taking a trade off that. I decided not to, just because ES was so close to these highs up here. I didn't want there to be like a reaction, and because it would have been a crazy SMT. I didn't want there to be a reaction. We push lower. So then I waited and we kept pushing. So we could push past these highs and we made great moves higher, right? So I entered off another change in state of delivery right here. We would move up, and then I was waiting for ES to see if it was doing anything. ES looked very strong while we kept good price right here, so I entered right here. The only reason I lost was because I moved my stop loss. If I kept it where I had it before, then I would have hit, and it would have been a very nice trade. Would have made my minimum day requirement. I just targeted halfway into this 10-minute gap, which would have hit, but I moved my stop loss, which is totally my fault. I could say I was being cautious and I was just being safe, but really I wasn't being safe. I was just kind of being careless, or I was being a little too careful, really. But it's okay. We lose sometimes, and it's unfortunate that I did that. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know. I feel like I've been getting wicked out so much that I was like, bro, I don't want to lose more on a wick out. And I lost because of wick out, because I moved my stop loss. So it's okay. We're going to come back from this on Monday, because we're not trading tomorrow. 4th of July, 3rd of July, markets close, whatever the fuck. But it happens. There's not much else to it. That was the trade idea, and it would have played out, but Price decided not to. I wish Price didn't hit that, but it does. Price does what it wants, and it doesn't care. Also, people have been complaining about price action. Bro, shut up. Like, I hate when people complain about price action. It's so annoying. Except when it's super choppy. Like, yeah, that shit is annoying. but you can find a trade. I'm telling you, you can find a trade, guys. Like it's you as a trader, and if you're willing to like pull the trigger, like if you like how much experience you have, if you have experience in choppy conditions, you're gonna be more comfortable taking trades in choppy conditions, or days like this where price action is so bad, you just no, it's not retracing and it's so imbalanced. If you have experience in it, then you're fine. Then you're gonna be able to find an entry because you know how price moves on these days, right? Like it's not a pattern. Patterns. I'm not saying there's patterns, but you can find trades, guys. Like there's no reason why. Don't blame it on price action. It's you. Take ownership. All right. That's about it. My spiel's over. I'm hoping to pass this account. If I don't pass this account next week, I'm an idiot. I'm probably just gonna retire from trading. But yeah, that's about it. No trading tomorrow. See you guys Monday.